Hello, good evening and welcome. Starting with this breaking news which is coming in right now. If you are experiencing problems with your Gmail, YouTube and other Google services, ladies and gentlemen, there is a massive outage as far as Google and affiliated services are concerned. YouTube and Google services are down worldwide. Millions have not been able to access YouTube platform or have been able to access or send email through the Gmail service which is offered by Google. We also have a statement which has been issued by YouTube, and it says, we are aware that many of you are having issues accessing YouTube right now. Our team is aware and looking into it. We will update you as soon as we have more news. That's the latest, and especially at a time when people are in fact working from home, this is in fact a big story which we are tracking right now, where millions are now affected. I'm going across to Manas Tiwari, Executive Editor, India Today Digital, who is joining us with more details on this. Manas, do we have any update on what is the reason of this massive outage in the last month of the year?
So Ankit, as you said, the YouTube statement is the last word that we have from the Google side so far. But what has happened over the half an hour is that people across the globe have taken to different social media platforms, and they are complaining that all of their Google services, which includes your Gmail, YouTube, and other Google services, are not working properly. In fact, Gmail, which is one of the most popular email services, is the worst hit of Google services today. And people have taken to various platforms to complain about this. In fact, Down Detector, which is a website that tracks all the other websites that are down, has registered around 20,000 complaints from users across the world. Why this has happened is still not clear. But yes, this is a big outrage. It's a big thing which is happening. And this is very interesting because this is also one of the first times when you're seeing that even
Is it a technical fault, or does it look like some sort of hacking attempt, or the Google servers in any way have been hacked? I mean, possibly one of the most secure servers, but people are already talking about attempts of hacking the entire Google network.
So there is nothing from Google on that so far, but it should be a technical issue is what we are assuming right now, because in the past also we have had similar incidents where the Google services have been down, and usually they are addressed, acknowledged and corrected very fast. So we are expecting something similar from Google this time as well.
Okay.
But if in case it turns out to be a hacking issue, then it's going to be a major issue, because Google is supposed to have one of the most secure sort of networks. There's nothing from the tech giant on this yet. So this is what we have as of now.
Okay. Manas, thank you for joining us and giving us an update on this, in fact, a big story which is impacting millions of people around the globe. Thank you so much for joining in.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.